Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you my everyday makeup look. This look is so easy and it's been a look that I've been going towards a lot lately. It's a little bit bronzy, a little bit glowy, and honestly just perfect for everyday wear. It takes me like 10 to 15 minutes to do. I wanted to just sit down, get ready with you guys today. I have my coffee and we're just gonna be hanging out. Also, before I get started, I want to thank Persona Cosmetics for sponsoring a portion of this video. If you guys have been watching my channel, you guys know I've been obsessed with the Cali Glow highlighters from Persona for like 4 years. Their new highlighter is seriously amazing. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. So I'm going to be going in with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. This is an awesome primer, especially for my everyday makeup looks. It just grips the foundation so well. I've been using it for such a long time, and especially for like my everyday really quick glam. Now I'm going to be going in with a little bit of the Makeup Forever Skin Equalizer. It's just more mattifying, and I'm just going to apply a tiny bit, like a pea size, right into the forehead. I'm just going to tap on. So for the base, I'm going to go in with the Sephora Collection foundation. This is the Best Skin Ever foundation, and I'm probably going to mix another foundation with it. I'll put a little drop of the Believe Beauty foundation. I love both of these foundations, and then when you mix them together, it is like gorgeous. Just gonna put it on with a brush to initially start out, and then I'm gonna blend it out with a beauty sponge. I just find applying it like this on my everyday look really controls how much product I'm putting. Both of these foundations are beautiful because they have a really nice luminous skin-like finish. Now I'm gonna blend on top of that with a damp beauty sponge, just lightly. And then if I have to add more, I will. I'll also have all these products listed for you below. Any other areas I think I need a little bit more coverage, I'll go back in with whatever's left on the back of my hand. And then I'll just kind of tap on top of my eyelids. So for the little blemishes, I'm going to go in with a different concealer than what I'm going to put underneath my eyes. I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier. This is their Flawless Fusion concealer. It's very hydrating and lightweight, and I love it. So I'm going to put that underneath the eyes right here, and then up in this area. And I'm going to go in with a different concealer actually on top of this, just lightly, just to give a little bit of a brightening effect. I find myself always mixing either foundations, concealers. I just love to make my own little cocktail, so definitely something that I always do. You do not have to do that. Mix like this. This is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. Fall is my favorite, so get ready for the fall content because gonna go in with the NARS Soft Matte Concealer. I think this one is awesome for spot concealing, and just press right on top of it very lightly. I'm gonna go in with the Persona Cosmetics Multi-Stick. This one is in the shade Sahara. It is a beautiful cream bronzer. It melts into the skin. So right here, like look at the glide, so perfect. And this shade for me is absolutely perfect. It's not too warm or orange, and it's also not too cool tone. It just melts onto the skin and is so beautiful. I'm going with the Laura Lee brush to blend that out. This is the Laura Lee L24. Just gonna kind of stamp and stipple on top of that. Start bringing it up in an upwards motion. Such a beautiful bronzer, I love it. I love using that product for no makeup days where I have nothing on my base and it's just my skin right after moisturizing, and I'll pop a little bit of that bronzer onto my cheeks, blend it out, and it just looks like I have a natural contour like that. It's so beautiful. Or I'll put it underneath my makeup, which is something else you can do to look super natural, and it just kind of peeks through. So once I'm done with this, I go in with a beauty sponge and just kind of pat on top of it and blend it into the skin even more. I'm gonna take the side of the sponge and just kind of blend on top of it and push it into the skin. You can roll and press, just making sure that it goes in an upwards motion to keep everything uplifted. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. Tap under here lightly, just so you can get any excess that may crease away. This will help mattify without any creases. Beautiful, like blurred effect under the eyes. And of course, the more you add, the more of that payoff you're gonna get. And right in there, because I have a breakout. And it's a Real Techniques one, and I'm just gonna put it right under here and then just kind of tap underneath. And then I just sweep away. I'm gonna spritz my face with the Milk Hydro Grip Spray. I love to do this in between steps. just to rehydrate the skin. Now I'm gonna go in for a little bit of highlighter, and I'm gonna keep it pretty natural. We're gonna go in with the new Persona Cosmetics Dream Stick highlighter. This is infused with 24 karat gold. Seriously gorgeous. It's very lightweight and almost like a balm texture. As you can see, it's pretty sheer, which is awesome because you can do this on no makeup days. You can also use this as a multi-use product on your eyes, lips, or face, which is awesome. I think it's perfect for travel. I think it's perfect for any time of year. Like, it is just super gorgeous, and it has those gold like little flecks in there, but it's not shimmery, it's not sparkly, it's literally gold. I'm gonna go ahead and start applying it on my nose. It's so gorgeous. And then I just tap right in. This also has squalene and shea butter, so it's just really hydrating, beautiful skin loving ingredients, and we are all for that. You can literally just drag it on straight from the tube, and you can just see like little gold flecks, which is super pretty. You don't need to blend at all. You can literally just put it on and be good to go. You can put this all over your lips. It's such a versatile product, but I do like to kind of tap on top of it. And then just tap a little bit. And they also hooked you guys up with the discount code. So if you use the code BRII10, you're able to save 10% on the whole site, which I recommend so much. You guys know the Kelly Glow highlighters are my ride or die. Like, seriously, so good. I love their eye palettes as well. Their identity palettes are amazing. And it's just so radiant, so natural. You can go in with a sponge as well and kind of like stamp on top of areas. Going in with the e.l.f. Putty Blush, I'm gonna take a little bit, kind of right in the center of where we have the highlight and the cream bronzer. For every day, I love using cream-based products. It just looks the most natural. The Milani palette, this is the Ungilded Most Loved Matte palette. I'm gonna take this natural shade called My Daily Latte and pop that all over the eye. Slightly tap. Then go in with the shade Salty Caramel, which is a beautiful, like, rusty orangey tone. And I'm just gonna put that into the crease and windshield wiper it in. It's gonna look like a lot initially, but I continue to blend, and it just kind of blends right into the eye for a little bit of definition, and then just bring the remaining out. Essentially, it just gets onto the entire lid. Just a nice, like, smooth little base on the eye, a little bit of definition. Perfect tones for fall. Just kind of like to give a quick little wash. I'll even do that with bronzer. And then for a little bit of bronzing on the rest of the skin, I'm gonna go in with the new Physicians Formula. This is their Butter Donut Bronzer. First of all, how cute. It resembles a donut, like, hello. Lightly stamped back here. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a brown liner, and I'm gonna take the e.l.f. brown eyeliner. This is the Jen Akin collection. I just like to run this right onto the inner waterline. And usually on my everyday looks, I'll use a nude eyeliner. But for more of like the fall everyday kind of makeup, I really love to add a brown. I'll just kind of put it halfway to the outer corner like that, and then leave it as is. And then if I have to take a brush, I will kind of smoke out if I have to under there, but I just kind of do halfway. And I just think it makes everything just kind of like pop. Now I'm gonna go back in with that Persona highlight, and I'm gonna take a small brush and pop it right into the inner area. Again, keep in mind it is more of a balm texture, so you don't wanna add too much, but I just kind of wanna have like a little bit of a little glow in there, super subtle. I'm even gonna put some on my collarbones right now. Oh my goodness, look at that. So for my brows, I already did them off camera, but for every day, I do like to just have a little bit of a pencil in there just to make sure that the shape is all good. But then I like to go in with the Patrick Ta. This is the brow wax. So I just like to spray in there, go over top of the brows that I've already done, very lightly, just pushing them up, brushing them upwards. Really simple, light wash of color, and we're good to go. A little bit of glow and a little bit of bronzy skin. Love it. Now I'm gonna go in with the Salon Perfect 614s. For an everyday look, I do like to trim off the outer corner just a little bit and put them on, and then put them more towards the outer area. I think it just looks super stunning. I'm gonna be taking the rephr eyelash curler, and I'm gonna go ahead and curl them together. Mesh together like so. Then I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Big Mood Mascara. Such a good mascara, a lot of volume, and it's like a really chunky wand. I love it. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend the roots with the lashes. I also went in and added a pop of the Persona Cali Glow highlighter right on top of the cream highlighter that we added before from Persona into the inner corner of the eye. As far as lips go, I like to add a really nice natural nude lip liner, LA Girl lip liner in the shade Bear. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of a gloss. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade Stone. A little bit of a nude. I just went in and added a little bit of MAC Honey Love, and that pretty much is it. That completes this makeup look. Really easy to achieve, a little bit more on the glam side, but perfect for every day. And it's just something that I've been reaching towards a lot lately. Definitely one of my faves, and you can of course amp it up, tone it down, however you would like to wear it for an everyday look. Super wearable, and I think that is all. I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.